Hi Baker family, let's get going. I'm gonna make some banana bread today. It is a gluten-free banana bread. Actually, we're gonna make them into muffins. You can bake it as a whole loaf or you can bake it into 12 muffins. It's the same formula. I'm gonna start out with some organic coconut sugar instead of regular sugar because it's much easier to digest. So I've got in here 1 1/4 cup of organic coconut sugar along with 3 ripe bananas. And we're gonna blend those together. So it's gonna be a little bit loud, so bear with me. Good, once we got that mashed into a nice paste, we're gonna add 1 stick of softened butter, 1/4 cup of full fat sour cream, and 2 eggs, which we're gonna crack in a separate bowl, just like we always do so we don't get any shell in there. And my garbage bowl next to me. I'm gonna add both eggs at the same time. And we're gonna blend all that together. Great. Now, to that we're gonna add 1 full teaspoon of baking soda. So just sprinkle that across. And then we're gonna add 1 1/2 cups. This is the gluten-free flour that I'm using. It's King Arthur's gluten-free flour. 1 1/2 cups of gluten-free flour. Sprinkle that across. You don't have to overbeat this. There is no gluten to develop, so it's very simple, just mix. And then lastly, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of almond flour, which I did not open. Good. The almond flour helps with the texture. Even though there is almond flour in gluten-free flour blend, I like to add just a little bit more and a little dash of vanilla. Okay, that's about 1/2 teaspoon, by the way. So we're gonna go ahead and finish blending that. A quick scrape down. Just incorporate that last bit of flour in there. And then we'll beat it one more time and we'll be good to go. To that you could add chopped nuts, you can add chocolate chips, you can add cranberries, raisins, really whatever you like. I actually just like them plain. I try to keep the calories a little bit on the lower side so that I can have more of them. Good. Once you have a nice cream mix, you can go ahead and remove your beaters. All this out of the way. We're going to grab our 1/4 cup scoop here, and we're going to go ahead and fill our muffin tin. 1 full scoop per muffin liner rather, and that will make a dozen. We bake them at 350. This is what the final product looks like. It's super tasty. I hope you give it a try. It's probably the best textured gluten-free muffin I've ever made. So I hope that you like it. I hope that you try it. Comment down below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think. I always love feedback. I try to answer everybody's questions, so don't hesitate to leave a question or a comment. Thanks for joining me. Happy baking.